Find the clean environment to open the protective cover. Straighten the gun tip. Use a screwdriver to remove the 2 screws securing the air knife and place them carefully. Then remove the air knife. After removing the air knife, disconnect the connected air tube. Remove the adapter ring. Use a special tool to remove the lens. Once removed, the lens is considered unusable. Remove the lens to be replaced and replace the protective lens. Be careful to prevent dust. Use an air blower to remove dust from the lens. Use specialized tools to remove the new lens element that needs replacing and insert it into the lens. Reinstall the adapter ring. Reconnect the air tube and reinstall the air knife. Tighten the screws securing the air knife again. Replace the protective cover to complete the replacement.